Hi everyone, this is Char here, and today I'm going to be setting up a summer bucket list spread for my bullet journal. This one is quite a doodle heavy spread, but if doodling's not your thing, if drawing's not your thing, feel free to just do this in a list format or anything else that works better for you and for your own style of journaling. This video is also part of a blog post, so if you want to check the link in the description, there will be a blog post that has all of the activities listed, plus a couple extras that aren't on this spread. But feel free to add your own, feel free to swap some out, and just have fun with this. So I'm using my acrylographs on a Neapolitan dot grid journal, obviously using the craft paper here. I just really love how the acrylographs pop on the colored paper. So as I said, don't forget to click the link in the description to see the full list and to download your free printable version of the list. Have fun with this. I hope you liked it, and I will see you next time.